Skin fasting. I talked to you about it before, but I didn't really go into detail. I'm Lila, I'm 53, and I'm skin fasting right now. That means I am letting my skin do what it needs to do. I haven't washed it. I haven't applied any type of serums or anything on that. This glow is my natural glow when I'm skin fasting. And it's because I'm taking care of my microbiome and my skin barrier. What's the difference between those? Microbiome is trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses even, and other particles that are on the surface of your skin. They live all together in this good harmony. And if they're not in harmony, then you're probably experiencing some skin conditions. Your skin barrier, on the other hand, is made up of tons of components. And what that does is it protects your skin from outside factors. Skin fasting. So why I do it? Our skin is naturally able to repair itself. It is naturally able to give it the things it needs. And we should allow that to happen so that the skin and the skin barrier and your microbiome don't get essentially lazy. So every week I do a light 1-day skin fasting. Now you can do this for a lot longer period. Skin fasting long term is a lot different than a 1-day skin fast. So you want to make sure you follow me and return when we talk about long-term skin fasting. So why do you want to try skin fasting? Well, one, it can help balance your own natural sebum. So if you have oily skin, you might want to take a break from some products and let your skin readjust and balance itself. It allows your skin to recalibrate. And by doing a skin fasting, it can reduce skin sensitivity. And it allows your skin to breathe. If you struggle from rosacea or eczema, you might want to try a skin fasting routine.